welcome to Creative Learners. Hello my lovely children. Today we are going to learn the sound of letter I. So let's begin. Inky the mouse and Iggy the iguana were playing under the table. Inky bumped into the table hard. The lid of the ink pot opened and all the ink from it fell over Inky. She got all wet and itchy. She started doing Then Ivana came inside and saw her pet Inky all wet in the ink and squeaking. So she went out and told her mother, Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky is wet.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
So letter I sounds as E. I sounds as E. Now let's learn how to write letter I. Make a standing line, one sleeping line at the top, one sleeping line at the bottom. That's your capital letter I. And now make a small standing line and the dot at the top. That's your small letter I. Now let's look at some pictures. This is India. India. Ink pot. Ink pot. Igloo. Igloo. Let's draw whatever we remember from the pictures. So make a downward curve pattern and a sleeping line, one sleeping line, standing line and one more sleeping line, and make curve like this. That's your igloo. Igloo. Now make two standing lines, one sleeping line, slanting line here, and a round shape. And this is your ink. Ink. So I hope you all are revising your letter sound. Do subscribe to the channel and keep watching.